All right, guys, you see it, you see it, you see it. Hey, I am bringing you guys another lace tutorial for 2026. And we are actually, I think, now officially in February. And not only are we in February, but today is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to y'all. Want y'all to know I love y'all very, very much. But I'm bringing you guys another sneaker. And if you like your shoes to look sort of like this, like you see, we got the Air Jordan 9 Flint Gray and rocking the bunny lace. Well, you're in luck because here shortly, I'm actually in this video going to be showing you guys how to lace up both of these guys right here. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Let's go, guys. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefri. Hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Hey, guys, what's today? February 14th? Hey, happy Valentine's Day to each and every single one of you. If you don't have a Valentine, hey, just know I love you. Seriously, I really, really do. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys yet another, not sneaker review, but another one of a segment I like to do, and that is the 3 ways on how I lace up my sneakers. And this one is gonna be for 2026. And the sneaker that we're actually taking a look is a recent release that we did go ahead and pick up, which is the Air Jordan 9 in the Flint Gray colorway, which I actually did a full review over on the channel. So go check that out if you have not. And I think I even did a short too. And I'm gonna be showing you the 3 ways that I do. We got the bunny lace, we got the loosey goosey, and then we got the knot lace. And I just like bringing these videos because they're just honestly really fun, and I just enjoy putting you guys on to just kind of like different styles of laces with each shoe that actually comes out that I get my hands on. So before we go ahead and take a look at that, I do want to give you guys your kudos, and I want to give you guys your thanks because I just greatly appreciate all that you do for us on the channel. So let's go. All right, so without further ado, thank you guys so much for the love and the support that you show. I want to say the channel is currently sitting at 9,400. We're about to hit 10,000 subscribers. So you guys keep doing your thing. You guys keep doing your thing. We're actually gonna hit 10K this year, which is insane. The goal this year is 50K. I know it's gonna be a reach, but I believe that with the will and then the work ethic that we have, we can make it happen. If you haven't already, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also comment down below so you can get featured like you see right here. Let me know, how are you picking up any sneakers recently? I know this month we actually have a good amount coming. We had the Air Jordan 6, is it the Reverse Salesman that released today? I did pass, but I think we're also getting the Air Jordan 5 Wolf Grays coming. We have some Unions dropping. There's a lot of good stuff. We got All-Star Weekend as well, so there's a lot of good stuff happening. So let me know if you're picking up anything or are you passing on all of it. So if you want to get featured like you see right here, comment down below and let me know. Now, with that said, let's go. I'm gonna get behind the camera here, or kind of break it down a little bit, get behind the camera and show you guys exactly what we're gonna get into. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna get behind the camera like right now. I'm gonna show you guys the 3 ways that I go ahead and do it. Sit back, relax, enjoy, grab a snack, eat, just chill, and allow me to show you exactly, if you have these, you can even do them with me together, and just chill so we can go ahead and get these things on feet, and we're gonna show you how I do it. Let's go, guys. All right, guys, here we go right here, starting with the very first lace style. This is the bunny lace. And I'm actually excited for this one because this is my first time actually doing on the Air Jordan 9 for you guys. So really excited. Now, as you guys know, when I start my lace tutorials, I always go ahead and make sure all the laces are out of the eyelets except the last 2, as you can see right here, and we're gonna follow along. So the first one for the bunny lace, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put this, it's gonna be over. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right there, as you can clearly see. And sometimes the Air Jordan 9, one thing I have realized from like lacing them, not so much lacing them, but taking them apart for the laces, is that sometimes the eyelets can be hard to push through. So you're just gonna go ahead and feed it through like so. You guys obviously can't see, but I'm standing up right now, and normally I'm at the ground. Let me get down. There we go. So we're gonna keep feeding it through. Take your time with it. Now for this one, you don't want your laces like super tight, but you also don't want them super loose. You want them just at a right in the middle. So keep going like so. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and take the right, gonna feed it through, Come on, get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there. You're gonna take the other one and just keep on feeding it through until you get to the second, or I guess you could say the last eyelet, I guess you could say. Keep feeding it, just follow along. Hey, I like these, honestly. I really do enjoy these Air Jordan 9 Flints. I'm happy that they're bringing more 9s back. And I'm happy that, honestly, too, if you go into stores right now, these are actually sitting. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bring it to the last one. So we're gonna, as you can see right here, we have one more to go ahead and feed it through. We're not gonna do this lace hole right here. I mean, if you want to, you can, but preferably I'm not going to, just because I don't really like the way it looks. And we're gonna go like this, feed it up. All right, so now that you're at the top, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and tie it like you normally would regular. So make a regular tie like this, boop. And then you're gonna just go ahead and make a bunny lace. You're gonna tie it and pull it through like so. You can adjust the laces at any time. And when you're done, it'll look, there we go, like that. Got the Air Jordan exposed right there, see it, Air Jordan? And that's how it should look right there. We're gonna go ahead and put these things on feet right now, and let's see how they look. Let's go, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the first lace style down, the bunny lace for the Air Jordan 9 Flint. And I think these look pretty clean. Actually, I think I did a good job on these. I like how the fact that when you go ahead and you lace them up, you don't want them too tight because you kind of want them to not have like a choked up bunny lace look to it. But I like how the bunny knot right there just sits down right on the tongue. And you guys, you can see it's not going anywhere. It's not too sloppy. It's not too loose. It's right in the middle. So let me know what you think about this one. Moving on to the second lace style, the loosey goosey. And here we go. All right, guys, going to the second lace style. This is the loosey goosey, and this one honestly is pretty easy. Like, this one is just, it's in the name. Just keep your laces nice and loose. So same thing, we're gonna go starting with the right here. You're gonna feed this up, and as you're feeding it through, you're just literally gonna go ahead and not make this tight. So you kind of want to give it slack as you're putting them through the eyelets. See? And if you do accidentally make it too tight, you can always just go back and just give it slack. Give it slack as you see. Feed it up like that. I don't know if you guys can see, but sometimes I struggle with the I struggle with putting it through the eyelets with the Retro 9. But keep going, just take your time with it. Seriously, I appreciate you guys so much. You have no idea how much I truly appreciate you guys. Like, you guys always show so much love. Like I said, my goal in life would be, I would love to be able to do this full time for you guys. I really would. You know, Jordan brand can contact me, or even other brands too that can go ahead and, you know, sponsor me, or go ahead and do like some sort of like, you know, ambassadorship. I would love it. I would love it. But until then, we're gonna keep on working. We're gonna keep on working because the dream will come one day. So as you can see, we're gonna go ahead into the second, we're at the second eyelet right now. We're gonna go to the final one, and I was going to put it through this one as well, but I don't like it, 'cause I just feel like, for me at least, I don't want the sneakers to look like they have a lot going on. And let's go ahead and run it through here. And boom. Now, as you see right here, I did go ahead. They're a little bit loose right here, as you can see. If you think that's too much slack for you, this is kind of perfect for me. If you do think that's too much, you literally can just go back and readjust it. Or if you want to slide it through the eyelets, you can. But for me, I like it like that personally. I'll probably just take it and go like this, just stretch it out like that, and let it sit like so. And there we go. This is the loosey goosey. This is how it should look. Again, if you feel like this is too much slack for you, if you want it kind of like maybe right here shorter, just go back and adjust it. Same thing with this side. Let's go ahead and get these babies on feet right now. And here we go, guys. All right, family, here we go. We got the Loosey Goosey. Not my favorite one. I actually prefer the bunny lace a lot more, but an easier one to follow along to and actually style. And honestly, I feel like on Retro 9s, these look pretty good, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about them down below. Do you like these? Do you not like them? Again, like I said, I feel like if you think that towards the end of the laces, with it being a lot of slack for you, if you don't want that much slack, you can just go ahead and readjust it and you can make it smaller. Or you can even put it to the last eyelet to give it more of a shorter style look to it. But let me know how you feel about these. Moving on to the third and final lace. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go right here. The third and final lace style. This is the knot lace, and here we go. So unlike the normally what I usually do is the eyelets right here, they usually because the type of eyelets that the Retro 9s come, I usually go like underhand for the knot lace style, but for this one I'm actually not going to. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep going overhand like we've been doing for the last couple of laces. And for the knot lace, I just try to keep it not extremely tight. You can keep it tight, but just don't do it extremely tight, because you want enough that way when we get to the very last part, you'll see why. So just keep it somewhat in the middle. And as we move up, just follow along. Hey, I really appreciate you guys so much for all love and support. Like, you have no idea. Like, man, I truly want to be able to do this full time. I know I was saying that in like the last lace style, but all the love and support that you guys show, we've been doing it for, I'm just thankful for you guys, really thankful. Like, it would be cool to be able to work for brands like I said, like Jordan Brand or New Balance or ASIC, all these, you know, brands I do footwear reviews on, and maybe do some like, you know, marketing, like a campaign market for them or something like that. That would be really, really cool. And, you know, also as well, the fact that we're actually getting ready to hit 10,000 subscribers is insane. So I just want you guys to know, seriously, thank you so much for the love and support. Like, my actual personal goal I ever told myself was, well, imagine if I ever hit 10K, and like we're getting close to hitting it. So, you know, until we go ahead and able to do this full time, I'm gonna keep this consistency up for you guys, because I greatly appreciate you guys more than you seriously know. Thank you guys so much. Now, since we're at the almost second to last, we're gonna go ahead and put it up. Now that we're here, feed it through, boom, and then we're gonna go ahead and push this one through too, and boom. So now what I like to go ahead and do is, I'm gonna go slow, because I know a lot of you guys have been telling me that sometimes I go too fast on this particular part. So you're gonna take your eyelets right here, and you're gonna, oh, sorry, I know you guys can't see that. You're gonna take your eyelets, see them right here? You're gonna take 2 fingers, you're gonna wrap it around the 2 fingers. With that same finger, you're gonna create a hole. See that hole right there? And you're just gonna push the laces and push them through. Now, when you push them through, it's gonna create a little knot, like you see right here, see the knot? And literally just push it down. Take this, push it down, and push it down, like so. So when you're done, it should look like this. I'm gonna redo it one more time for you guys too, because I want you guys to truly be able to, you know, get the style down. So what you're gonna do is you pinch these 2 together, pinch them together. With that same, with your left hand, 2 fingers, you're gonna go like this, look at. So you take it, wrap it around, create that hole, like you see right here, create the hole. So, then you push it through. And with the same hand, as you're pushing it through, you're also adjusting it down. Boom, boom, and boom. And when you're done, it should look exactly like this. Hopefully I slowed it down enough for you guys. If you don't, if it's still too fast, just try to slow down the video. I try my best to really walk you guys through it, but that's how it will look. Let's go ahead and get these things on feet right now, and we will end the video off. Let's go, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the third and final lace style, the knot lace. Let me know down below how you feel about this one. I actually really enjoy these a lot. If you were struggling on it, go back, just slow down the video a little bit. I try to slow it down as best as I possibly could. Let me know, like I said, how you do feel about this one. I think the knot lace is one of those laces that when you go ahead and you put them in this lace style, you don't have to worry about them coming undone, or you have to like finagle with them like at all. You're not gonna have to do any of that. Like once you put them in this position, it's good, it's ready to go. If you don't like how big they look, just always come back into it and adjust it. That's one of the big things when it comes to lace styles, just kind of adjust it, that way you can get to your liking. But I like these though. I do like these very, very much. Let me know out of all the three, which one was your favorite for this video. We're gonna go ahead and cut away to the rest of the video, and let's go. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that was the 3 ways on how I lace up the Air Jordan 9 Flint Gray. If you did like the video, let me know which one was your favorite lace style. Personally, for me, I like the bunny lace. I think the way when it comes to retro 9s, I think I like how the laces just sit on there. In my opinion, I think it's just cool. I like how, the aesthetic of it looks really nice. But out of all the ones that you saw today, let me know down below which one was your favorite. Appreciate all the love and support that you guys show. It's your boy, it's your kid. I love y'all so much. Remember, it's only gonna be one you. Be the best you. I can't believe we're about to hit 10,000. Like, you guys seriously mean a lot to me. My goal is to eventually be able to do this full time. I would love to be able to do this full time for you guys. And I know we can definitely do it. But again, love you guys so much. See y'all in the next video, and peace, guys.